rude.
Hey guys, my name is Won Jinglu.
And I is Teo Chai-en. So Jinglu, why we at here?
We are here because today we are going to introduce the natures for our EP2 pair presentations.
The reason we chose this title because the nature is an incredible wonder that inspires us.
But nowadays many problems faced by the nature such as pollution, overpopulations,
Climate change, global warming, and
so on. So, Chai-en, may we start our explorations?
Sure,
Let's start!
Now we are at ostrich farm.
Wait.
Ostrich is the world's largest bird. Do you know ostrich has the problems reproducing when temperatures decrease by 5 degrees or more from the ideal temperatures of 20 degrees Celsius?
Many believe that ostrich can reproduce anywhere. But do you know they are actually very sensitive to change in temperature? Climate change means that temperature will fluctuate anymore and there could be a challenge to the ostrich. So Jinglu, do you have any opinion to solve this climate change?
Yes, in my opinion, the solution is saving energy at half. Much of our electricity and heat powered by coal, oil and gas. Improving your home's energy efficiency through better insulation or replacing oil or gas furnace with an electric heat pump can reduce your carbon footprint by up to 900 kilograms carbon dioxide equivalents per year. So what do you think, Chai-en?
In my opinion, my solution is reduce, reuse, repair and recycle. Electronic goods and other items we buy cause carbon emission of each point in production. To protect our climate, we can buy fewer things, shop second-hand, repair what you can and recycle. Through this way, you can reduce your carbon footprint and also cut down on waste. So do you have any idea about the climate change?
Please leave a comment at the chat box, let us know. Now we are at University Lake. As you all know, water pollution is the contamination of water bodies like oceans, seas, lands, rivers, usually caused due to human activities.
Water pollution is any change, minor or major, in the physical, chemical or biological property of water that even actually lead to detrimental consequences of any living organism.
Some of water pollutions are caused by direct sources, such as factory, waste management facility, and so on, that directly releases waste and dangerous byproducts into the nearest water source without treating them.
Indirect sources include pollutants that infuse in the water body via groundwater or source or via the atmosphere through acid rain. So Jinglu, do you know how to prevent water pollution?
Yes, the best way to prevent large-scale water pollution is to try and reduce its harmful effects. There are numerous small changes we can make to protect ourselves from a future where water is scarce. So, Chai-en, what do you think about conserving water for preventing the water pollutions?
Conserving water should be our first aim. Water wastage is a major problem globally and we can only now waking up to the issue. Simple small changes made domestically will make a huge difference.
Yes. Other than that, treatment of sewage also one of the ways to prevent the water pollution. Treating waste products before disposing of it in water bodies helps reduce water pollution on a large scale. Agriculture or other industries can reuse this wastewater by reducing its toxic contents.
The third way is use of environment-friendly products. By using soluble products that do not go on to become pollutants, we can reduce the amount of water pollution caused by a household.
Can you guys see that? What is this? This is the trees. So the last way is plant some trees. Trees reduce erosion that wash pollution into the water and reduces erosions. You can also volunteer your time in a local tree planting effort. If you own lands along a rivers or pond, plant trees, bushes or grass along the bank.
Life is ultimately about choices, and so is water pollution. We cannot live with sewage street beaches, contaminated rivers, and fish that are poisonous to drink and eat.
To avoid these scenarios, we can work together to keep the environment clean so the water bodies, plants, animals, and people who depend on it remain healthy.
We can take individual or teams action to help reduce water pollution.
We can take community actions too to keep our rivers and seas cleaner.
And we can take action as country and continents to pass law against water pollution.
Working together, we can make water pollution less of problems and the world a better place.
Do you know, in the late 19th century, deer were on the verge of becoming extinct. By the law to protect them from hunters, the deer population steadily increased on the 21st century.
Deer populations cause many effects to the nature. One of it is disease. Deer provides the transportation of ticks that carries live disease. This increases the transmission of ticks to humans. Infected ticks will continue to infect humans as long as the overpopulations of deer continue to transport that cross to where humans work, live, and play.
One of the effects is ecosystem change. Overbrowsing of large number of deer change ecosystem environment. They eat reproducing seeds of plants and trees that other animals for food and shelter. Deer are being hunted and relocated by humans. Hence, increase the population of the deer.
Can we end off the video now?
Yes, but before end, we need to give a advice.
If we start to understand the value of nature to society and economy, we will recognize that the importance of living in harmony with nature.
So many government and business now to realizing this and started to act. It gives real hope for the future.
Let's all work together to protect our nature.